every time you drive yourself to work, every single time you take them kids to school, all of those things should be airline miles. Hey guys, it's your girl Keem, aka the Passport Abuser. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am a female solo traveler of 92 countries, and I've helped 12,000 people turn their bills into boarding passes and ace their first solo trip. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for the love, girly pop. So today on my channel, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to turn your fuel, aka gas, into an airline ticket. That's right. Every single time you take them kids to school, every single time you take them to practice, every time you drive yourself to work, you drive to go get dinner for the kids, all of those things should be airline miles. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get to Greece for $6, just like I did, by purchasing gas for your car. Let's get into it. So we are going to head over to Google, and we are going to type in the keywords here that you see on the screen. You're going to type in American Airlines, because that is the airline that is going to give us the miles every time we get gas. Then you're going to type in Shell, because that is the gas company that's supplying us with the gas that's going to get us to Dubai or Bali or the Maldives, right? And then, as you guys can see, there's something that pops up here, and it says fuel rewards. So American Airlines, Shell, fuel rewards. So make sure you click this one, or if this doesn't come up immediately as a suggestion, you can just manually type it here, American Airlines, Shell, fuel rewards. You're going to click that. And as you guys can see, it pops right up. It's the first search result, and it says earn miles with AA Advantage, which is American Airlines Frequent Flyer Miles Club. We are going to click this first link, and ta-da! American Airlines has a partnership with Shell gas station. That is right, ladies and gentlemen. Your eyes are not mistaking you. They are not deceiving you. Now, you go to get gas probably every week, right? You are getting up, you're driving to work, you're getting the kids to practice, you're going to church on Sunday, you got to run and get groceries. So for most of us, we get around via car. And every single time that you put gas in your car, you should be earning a trip to your bucket list destination. So let's get into the specifics. So it says here, American Airlines has partnered up with Shell gas station. And just for the record, guys, you do not need any type of fee-based credit card or airline credit card to participate. So here's how it works. You are going to join the Fuel Rewards program, and then you're going to link your American Airlines AA Advantage account to your Fuel Rewards account. So you can click the button that says join now. All you have to do is put in your AA Advantage number and just create your account. So this is going to be something really simple. So once you link your AA Advantage account to your Fuel Rewards account, you're going to automatically earn 250 miles with American Airlines when you complete your first fill up at Shell gas station. After your first fill up, you are going to earn 3 AA Advantage miles for every single gallon of gas that you put in your car. There is absolutely no credit card required. So feel free to go into the comments and let me know how many years have you been putting gas in your car and you have not been being awarded airline miles. If there is not a Shell gas station by you, that's okay, because we have 2 additional gas stations that work with American Airlines to give you gas every single time you get to the gas station. Okay, guys, so if you don't have a Shell gas station near you, that's totally okay. You're going to head over to Google and you're going to type in simplymiles.com. So, as you guys can see, American Airlines has a partnership with this website, and you're going to log in using your AA Advantage number. I'm going to log in and then I'm going to come back to you guys on the screen once I'm logged in. Okay, guys, so we are here. I am all logged in. American Airlines has this partnership with Simply Miles, and as long as you activate the offer, you can earn airline miles when you get gas. So, as you guys can see here, BP gas station has a partnership with Simply Miles, and American Airlines says, okay, if you go to fill up your gas tank at BP, I am going to give you 2 miles per dollar plus 2 loyalty points as long as you get more than $40 in gas. Now, I don't know about you guys, but $40 in gas is not even half of my gas tank. So, to be able to earn miles, 2 miles per dollar plus 2 loyalty points is pretty good. Now, if you guys are wondering what are loyalty points are points with the airline that go towards your status. So the more points you get, that means that's the more complimentary upgrades you receive from the airline. The higher your loyalty tier with them is, the more that you get maybe free food, early boarding. So guys, there is always a way to earn airline miles by doing the things that you're doing on a daily basis. And for Simply Miles, the only requirement for this website is that you have to have a MasterCard, which is absolutely fine because you can even purchase with a prepaid MasterCard. So how this works is you are going to activate the offer. And when you go to BP, you have to pay with the card that you put on file for this website. So if you put a MasterCard on file for this website ending in 777, do not go to BP and pay with card 555 because you guys are definitely not going to earn the miles. Because American Airlines is going to say, hey, we don't know that card. Now, I want you guys to comment below and tell me how many miles have you been throwing away? How much free travel has been wasted by you not having this hack that I just taught you now? So if you guys absolutely love tips like this, I want to make sure that you guys attend my free 99 masterclass from bills to boarding passes. In this free masterclass, I am going to show you exactly how to flip your everyday purchases and all of those mandatory bills that hold you back from being able to travel. I'm going to show you how to turn all of those things into airline tickets. I have been featured in places like Business Insider, Forbes, USA Today, The Washington Post, Essence Magazine, and so much more for helping people turn their bills into airline tickets. And today is a day that things change for you. Be sure to click the link in the description box of this video to make sure that you are able to flip those bills into boarding passes. So if you guys absolutely love travel hacks like this, make sure to click the link in the description to join my free 99 masterclass where I show you how to turn your bills and everyday purchases into airline tickets. And if you like this video, help us out and make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment below, and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future content. All right, see you guys in the next video.